The Chanel Premier is an iconic and elegant timepiece created by the renowned French luxury fashion house Chanel. Launched in 1987, the Chanel Premier watch was designed by Jacques Ellul, who drew inspiration from the shape of Place Vendôme in Paris and the iconic Chanel No. 5 perfume bottle stopper. This watch reflects Coco Chanel's love for the world of haute couture and her preference for combining elegance with practicality. The Chanel Premier watch features a distinctive rectangular case. This unique shape sets it apart from traditional round watches and showcases Chanel's innovative design approach. One of the most recognizable features of the Chanel Premier is its interwoven chain-link bracelet, which is a nod to the brand's signature quilted pattern often seen on their handbags. The bracelet design adds a touch of sophistication and luxury to the timepiece. Between steel and gold, this beautiful watch can elevate your fashion for that special occasion. Over the years, Chanel has introduced numerous variations and limited editions of the Premier watch, incorporating various colors, materials, and artistic elements, keeping the collection fresh and appealing to watch enthusiasts and fashion aficionados alike. The sapphire crystal of this timepiece is not only a gem as a material but also in its impression. Light refracts elegantly around the sides while the gold and polished surfaces further enhances the experience from all angles. The dial is finished with deep black lacquer, a fine watchmaking finish that enhances the quality of any watch. The bracelet as a pleasing mix of metal and leather that only Chanel can deliver. Even the clasp is engineered to ensure that it's secured in the best possible way with this dual-hinge design. It's easy to perceive that ladies' watches are more of a fashion statement, but with the Chanel Premier, you can expect high horology anytime. Whether you prefer the stainless steel or gold model, the Chanel Premier is a must-have fashion icon. Complete your collection now with this beautiful timepiece. With Shiva's